intelliCard, from design to operation, your experts in identity security. Founded 2008 and is privately owned, resides in Switzerland and Germany to serve customers worldwide. intelliCard manages the entire identity lifecycle with the following solutions. Are you looking for a strong authentication solution with customer-friendly onboarding? Is your today's mobile banking solution fully compliant to PSD2? Interested in an innovative solution which satisfies today's expectation of your customer in terms of ease of use and flexibility? The intelliCard mobile banking authentication solution is the answer to these questions for the complete PSD2 compliant and easy handling of safe mobile banking for your clients. Banks rely on intelliCard's mobile banking solution as it offers the most innovative PSD2 compliant option for mobile banking in the market, including unique advantages. Strong two-factor authentication, customer-friendly and easy to use, security approved by several external auditors. The solution also includes an innovative display TAN IBAN-Card with BLE-interface for several use cases like app enrollment, beneficiary approval, transaction signing, login. The secure mobile banking solution is providing Keystore with additional security layer, keys encryption with AES-256, HSM generating encryption key not stored on mobile device, re-encryption with new key after each session, support for trusted execution environment, transaction signing with additional certificate. The solution offers an omni-channel authentication, highly secure and flexible. Mobile Keystore as a standalone security app, mobile phone as hardware token, PSD2 compliance, provision of session tokens for other services, cross-platform technologies, SAML, HTML5 web messaging, SOAP. In combination with the display card, the new security architecture offers the perfect new secure environment for banks and its customers, including easy and comfortable handling for customers, replacement of photo TAN with init letter, login to online banking, confirmation of new beneficiary, enrollment of security app, enrollment of mobile banking app, transaction signing, PSD2 compliance, platform independence, integration with existing debit or credit card possible. Tom is very happy with his new display card. intelliCard, that's how easy mobile banking works. intelliCard, our solutions simplify and automate the identity lifecycle process. For further information and contact, please visit www.id-security.com.